Hello learners, so today's video is about data validation. In the last video we have seen data validation list part, how to create list in two ways. So in today's video we will see some other options which are available in data validation. So let's start. So first selecting this all area in which we want to do the data validation. Data validation is available in the data tab in the data tools group, and here you can see the data validation option. So coming to whole number, let's assume you want the user to enter from 1 to 5. Rating, we were talking about the rating in the last video, so let's talk about that only. So we want the customer to rate the dishes between 1 to 5. So we can select whole number, and data is having so many options: between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So these all can be chosen based on the data requirements. So here we are required to select the data minimum 1 and maximum is 5. Let's put some input message also. So doing that only, rate the dish between 1 to 5. Okay, and error alert. So in error alert there are three styles: stop, warning and information. Stop, if you select it, it will stop the user and will not able him or her to enter any data which is invalid. Warning, if you select warning, it will just give a warning that you should enter this kind of data only, but it will allow the end user to proceed further. And information will also do the same as the warning will do. It will also allow the user to proceed further with invalid data and will provide only the remarks as an information. So let's stop. The title is stop. So we have selected, we have done our error alert also, we have done our input message also, and settings also. So pressing OK, and as we will go on the cell, it will show the input message which we have given. So let's put 5 in the rating, and it is allowing us to proceed further because it is a valid data. Let's put some invalid data also. 6, stop, rate between 1 to 5. So it is not letting us proceed further, and as we press cancel, the entry is deleted. So in this way you can restrict your data. So clearing all. Now again going to, let's assume we want the decimal thing. So in this case, let us assume we want the data to be filled between 1.5 to 3.5. and we are not doing any input and error alert because we have seen the use of them. So we are just seeing how the decimal thing work. So deleting it, pressing 2.5 because it is allowed between 1 to 5. It is allowing me to proceed further because it is a valid data. Let's assume I am putting 4.5. So it is giving me a default message of Microsoft Excel. This value doesn't match the data validation restriction entered for the cell. So let's clear it all. Now let's assume list we have seen. Let's take a date, and these all options are same in every category. So starting with that, let's assume we want the date should be between June 2024 only. So we are taking that. So now putting a date 1/6/2024. It's okay. Let's put, so it is not allowing me to put any date beyond that period which we have entered in the data validation. So clearing it all, proceeding on to the time. So let's say the office opens at 1 and it goes till 8. So now let's put some data. So let's say some person came at 2 a.m. So it's valid data, so it has been entered. Let's assume someone came at 12, so this is not allowed to be entered. Clearing everything. Coming to the text length, so let's assume it is a rating and we want the text to be between 4 to 10 only. Okay, so going, let's assume we are saying that fries are good, it is allowed. Let's say I want to say burger is just okay, it is not allowed. Or if I want a long description, very very tasty, it is not allowed because it is too long. So in this way we have seen data validation with whole number, decimal, date, time and text length. In next video we will be seeing the custom thing which we are going to do with some formulas. So if you find this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video.